Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you what I eat during the day. And before we start, I did some groceries and I want to show you what I got and what I will eat for the next few days or even longer. And I think I will just start from the left to the right and then we'll move to make some breakfast. So I want to start from showing you the basic products which are almost always in my kitchen, like bananas, tomatoes, and today I decided to go for cherry tomatoes. Sometimes I also choose the bigger ones, but those are also tasty and great for breakfast. Cucumber. I like to eat a lot of different vegetables like cucumber, tomatoes, rucola, which I will show you in a moment, and have some avocados in my kitchen. Basic product in my kitchen are eggs, which I eat almost not daily, but I don't know, maybe if I don't have eggs for breakfast, then I go with oatmeal. So it's like one option or another, not really something else. Although I'm into something very specific, like I show you in a moment, then I choose something else, but this is rather a rare thing. I have go to breakfast like savory one and sweet one, depends on my mood. I got some butter as well, and also here in Spain I love this cheese. It's very rich in taste. I like to add it to my breakfast. Also, what you always can find in my kitchen are berries. I love them. I really love those as well. My two favorite berries plus raspberries I like as well. This time I got strawberries, so I will show you later what snack I like to make with all the berries and some yogurt. Also, another thing I'm into being here are olives. This time I chose black olives, but depends. Sometimes I like to have green ones, sometimes black. Another thing I like here are those creamy soup options. Whenever I feel hungry during the day and it's not yet time for dinner or proper meal, I treat it as a snack and I personally like it. And I will eat some yogurt for my sweet snack I will show you today. Some bread. This time I chose, I think it's like whole grain bread. And I also got one bread from bakery. Like this. For snacks, I like those beans. This is frozen option, but also you can get a fresh one, which I couldn't find here. For breakfast, I like to have fresh orange juice. It's not like addition for every breakfast, but every then and now I just like to nourish my body with orange juice. And I mentioned saying about breakfast, which I have like two options, sweet or savory one, but sometimes I'm craving something else, like something different, very specific one. Maybe I mentioned you earlier this, but I'm very into cinnamon rolls, and this time I found in bakery. But because we are recording the video, I will show you my breakfast and I will have the snack additional later. For today's dinner, I planned baked salmon with asparagus and grana padano cheese. Some apples, milk, ham, some nuts, and here is a sauce. Maybe for tomorrow's dinner I will make chicken with some sweet chili sauce, some vegetables and nuts. Sometimes I also like to have some protein yogurt and some nachos and feta cheese for some salad. I just like to have different options in my fridge and create different meals. Sometimes it's quite spontaneous creation, and sometimes I know specifically what I want to make, so okay, so I showed you all my groceries. Right now, I will show you what I will have for breakfast today. For the breakfast, I will make eggs with some toast, vegetables, berries, the cheese I mentioned earlier. I don't know how about you, but I feel very lucky when I have avocado like this, which is still soft but absolutely perfect inside. Here are whites from eggs. I like to add additional whites to my scrambled eggs, as it always is like more protein in your meal, and I want to give my body a little bit more of protein as I work out quite a lot recently. When making breakfast, I always want to make sure that I have enough vegetables or fruits in it. Like right now, it's like berries, tomatoes, cucumber, avocado. I made a little bit of mess here. Last one. So this is how my today's breakfast looks like. I think it has enough protein, fat, and carbs. It's definitely going to be yummy. I have this orange juice, so I'm going to enjoy it. And later during the day, I will show you what I will have more. I want to share with you that my approach to foods changed over time. It was definitely a process to change my mind, to choose healthier options, less processed food, less sugar, and just in general think about what nourishes my body, what is good for my body and just me, rather than what I'm craving and what my mind thinks it wants. It's like a balance right now. It's not that, as you saw, like the cinnamon roll, it's not that I don't eat anything. Long time ago, I don't remember when it was, but I stopped sweetening my tea, my coffee. It's also very important what you drink. For me, limited my drinks, my fluids during the day to water, coffee I have every day. Sometimes I like to have matcha or a tea, but this is basically it. People should get more aware of how much calories we intake with the fluids. Okay, so right now I want to show you how I snack, and today it will be something sweet because I had eggs for my breakfast and later we'll have salmon for dinner, so I like to have something different in taste. Recently, I like to have a snack with coconut yogurt, some berries, lots of different berries. I got like a mix of nuts and dried fruits, and that will be basically simple, quick, and delicious. As I spent already some time for making breakfast, lunch slash dinner, because I like to have two bigger meals during the day, and in between when I feel I'm a bit more hungry than usual or craving something, then I snack with something. Like I show the beans, this, sometimes nachos, or depends what I'm into. And I want to keep it fast, simple, and yummy. Few spoons or this coconut yogurt. I really like it. It's from Alpra. Later during the day, I plan to go for running and sauna. I will have my daily movement, and I want to make sure my body have enough calories. Also, I'm planning to do a mini cut soon, which will mean that I will add a little bit extra cardio and movement to my workout. Looks like this. Delicious, simple. So with the mini cut, I want to add a little bit extra cardio to my workout, and I will want to limit a little bit of carbs intake, and I hope it will work for me. I am this kind of a person, like a 100% foodie person. I love to eat. I know it will be a little bit more difficult for me to say no to the food I like. I like this feeling to be full. That's why I prefer two bigger meals, and when I need some snack like this during the day, rather than eating every, I don't know, like 3-4 hours and having 4 different meals during the day. So I know it might be a little bit challenging for me, and I will keep you noted in my future videos how is it going. So I'm planning to start soon. I don't know how about you. I'm into coconut yogurt so much. Before I had this Greek yogurt era, and right now I switched to coconut. I'm already after workout. As I mentioned, I tried to increase my cardio in training plan. It was running this time, and right now let's continue with cooking. We'll prepare salmon with asparagus and potatoes. As for the salmon, I try to change the carbs in the meal. Sometimes I do it with potatoes like today, with rice, and when I want to keep it very simple, I just add bread and that's it. Okay, let's start. Here's everything I need. As you can see, it's going to be a pretty simple dinner. It's a little bit too much salmon for me for one time, so the second slice I will eat tomorrow. Because the fish can be a little bit smelly, so I put this in this glass box with a cover, and this is how I like to storage it for tomorrow. This is how I put this into oven. I bake it in 190 degrees and 30 minutes. My meal is ready. This is the final result of my dinner and I'm going to enjoy it. I'm going to eat everything, of course. It looks very tasty and yummy and I cannot wait any longer to try it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell so you won't miss my future content, because a lot of new content is coming. Bye!